Hello to the very first cohort taking Human Development and Family Studies 101. Hi, I am Angie Walston. I am both your professor for this semester, but also the program coordinator for the online bachelor's degree in Human Development and Family Studies. I know I've got a mix of students in this class who are coming from different backgrounds, different parts of the country. I have some traditional students, on-ground students who are taking this course as they prepare to take more courses for a child life specialist concentration. And I am so excited to meet you all, get to know you all. I know for many of you, this is your very first online course, so I wanted to do a brief overview and make sure you know exactly what to expect. So I am logged into your class as if I am a student, and I want to tell you where to start. So you're going to see a home page. If you're on an iPad or another device, it might look slightly different. But right now I'm on the home page on my computer, and the best place to start is the syllabus tab. So a syllabus is just an outline of what's happening this term. What you're going to see here is you can download a Word document syllabus, but you can also really see pretty much everything you need to know if you scroll down here. So a few things to know. Here's my contact info. You can set up a meeting with me anytime by using this link. It links to my calendar. It tells you when I'm available. And if you ever need to meet me in Zoom, or if I do optional class times, this is my link to get to my Zoom room. Information about our text and about what we'll be learning. These are some expectations. And as we scroll down, you're going to see the course calendar and due dates are already completely populated. I want you to note that in general, our discussion boards are due on Friday, so I'd love for you to post your initial post by Friday, and then over the weekend you can respond to your peers. You'll note that in our rubric, and a rubric is just what I use to grade, 2 responses to peers will get you will get you an A credit, but 3 responses to peers will get you full credit, so 100% credit. And so just on that area of the rubric. So make sure you're responding to 3 peers or to me, because I will be in there as well. So discussions are due on Fridays, and on Sunday evenings you would want to turn in any quizzes. The new to me vocabulary pages, you'll learn about that as you get into week 1, and then any paper assignment, and you'll learn about that as well. The nice thing about this course is your papers, when you first turn them in, are a pass and fail draft. I will give you feedback, and then you actually have to week 8 to turn in the final version of those papers. And so we're going to get you started not only at Maryville and in online learning, but in the field of family science. And I'm so excited to walk with you in this. You will note as you click this video, you can actually get to my YouTube channel. I will be posting more things there, as well as information in your course. Now, how do you get through content in the course? Well, there's lots of ways to do it, but I'm going to make my suggestion. I have found that sometimes students just click on these to-dos, and let me tell you, that's fine, but you're going to miss a lot of the content if you do that. The only thing over here is assignments. My suggestion instead is that you follow this navigation panel. So this week, this weekend, do the start here, and you can read a little bit about support resources. And then on Monday when you log in, go ahead and just click week 1. It's going to bring you straight into everything you need to know for this week. Click week 1 overview. And you are going to work your way through this content using the navigation panel here. And it'll walk you through in order exactly the stuff you need to do. So using this next button or the previous button, working through that material, it is paced in order. You'll find videos, you'll find some readings, and remember, you can always reach out to me through email, by text message, or by using that Calendly link. I'm so excited to get to know you all. I really am thrilled to be launching this program. I was hired a little over a year ago to pull this program together and develop it, and it's so exciting to me that we are finally launching and getting to know students. So I will see you soon in the discussion boards. Hopefully get to know you. Feel free to reach out over the weekend. See you on Monday.